India is an emerging economic powerhouse, the vibrant power sector, strong and growing rail networks, and the expanding automotive sector. These are the shining faces of the new emerging India. One of the important, though lesser-known industries fueling their growth is copper conductors. It was in the 1990s that India stood up to take its rightful place at the global level. It was exactly at that time when a company was born that would mirror the energy and dynamism of the vibrant new India. Based in the northwestern Indian city of Jaipur, Airen is a distinguished manufacturer of high-quality copper conductors, including copper strips, bus bars, insulated strips, and copper wires. It manufactures a wide range of cross-sections in copper strips and bars. The manufacturing plant comprises the most modern and sophisticated manufacturing equipment, procured from the leading manufacturers across the globe. These include fully automated imported conform machines based on technology from the UK. These PLC-based lines with a computer interface attain a very high degree of accuracy, consistency, and manufacturing speed. The facility has several automated insulation machines that use high-quality electrical insulation paper imported from Sweden and Japan. The company has flattening mills for cost-effective execution of small orders. The manufacturing facility also houses a microprocessor-based, high-precision die-making CNC machine. A high level of documentation and systemic controls are integral to the ISO 9001 certified manufacturing process at Airen. The manufacturing lines are supported by well-equipped quality assurance labs, where the latest machines are deployed to test the product on stringent mechanical, electrical, and chemical parameters. An online eddy current system from the UK, a titrator for chemical analysis from Switzerland, and a spectrometer from Germany are examples of Airen's commitment to quality. Airen procures its raw material, LME grade A copper, from the best and most reputed indigenous and foreign suppliers, namely Hindustan Copper, Sterlite, Hindalco, and Oman Mining Company. Between these, a sizable share comes from Hindustan Copper. The company's list of clients includes Crompton Greaves and Vijay Electricals in the transformer segment, Auto Ignition Limited in the automotive segment, and Havels, L&T and Siemens in the panels and switchgear segment. Since its inception, Airen has displayed an insatiable appetite for growth. Over the past decade, the company has witnessed explosive average annual turnover growth of over 44% in volume terms and close to 66% in value terms. This was accompanied by an equally staggering average annual growth of over 74% in profits. The company draws its strength from its illustrious leadership, its board of directors. Airen is built on the dreams and vision of its founder chairman, Mr. Hari Prasad Agarwal. Mr. Agarwal, a management graduate from the Indian Institute of Management, Kolkata, worked with the Birlas and other renowned groups for over 30 years and also led the sugar mills of the KK Birla Group as the president. With his vast experience of managing large industries, he brought a unique management perspective that changed the face of this industry. His unprecedented policies and trend-setting practices have made Airen financially a very sound and cash-rich organization. Mr. Suresh Agarwal is a qualified chartered accountant, a company secretary and a law graduate. Mr. Suresh Agarwal heads the production, supplies and quality control functions at Airen. Mr. Sudhir Agarwal too is a chartered accountant, a company secretary and a law graduate by qualification. Mr. Sudhir Agarwal heads the finance, marketing and procurement functions in the company. Airen's passion for excellence is shared by its personnel across all levels. The manufacturing and quality assurance processes are managed by qualified and experienced engineers. They regularly undergo technical training sessions organized by equipment manufacturers, especially for the advanced conform machines. Reuters also organizes frequent training programs on commodities and foreign exchange at the factory premises. Fired by its success, Airen's has recently implemented a sizable expansion plan. It has set up a high-capacity manufacturing line with conform machines and hydraulic draw bench machines from abroad for manufacturing of bus bars up to 2,500 square millimeters. The new facility also houses an HDGC contact wire manufacturing line for overhead electrical contact wires for the railways. This newly built, most modern facility would be fully operational by November 2009. After this facility is operational, Airen's production capacity would go up to 15,000 metric tons per annum from the existing 7,000 metric ton. The company will be strongly positioned to take a sizable share of the overhead electrical contact wire consumption of the Indian Railways and other urban rail companies in India and abroad. Airen's is now on the threshold of stepping into the top league of copper conductor manufacturers in the country. As India gears up to take on the world, Airen's is all set to strengthen its leadership status and further consolidate its contribution to building a stronger India.